Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Build, Break, and Fix. To all of those people who are new here, we are role coders. That means we are a team of two developers from Melbourne, Australia. We're working on a project which adds persistent storage to Scrambler.ca. If you've been following any of our last week's stream, we are working on resolving cross-origin sharing between two of our web-based resources. Again, if you don't know what Course is, yeah, for you. But if you do know, then you're experimenting with web apps. So, yes, today we plan to um, utilize yesterday's strategy only, in which we both divide the work. That means we'll work on two times efficiency and focus all our attention on getting this resolved and then present what we did to you guys. So, how are we feeling today, Zen?
A bit itchy. Hang on.
That's a good start.
What's going on, guys? Thanks a lot for the amazing intro, as always, Kay. And yeah, nothing to add. You pretty much covered it all. Let's get down
Yeah,
to business.
yeah, sure.
Brilliant.
Well,
So,
you go ahead and share your
ju-
screen. I'll do it afterward.
either way. Okay, cool. So,
Yeah,
I'll share my screen first. So, I can have the first half an hour, and then you can
yeah,
take the
sure.
last half an hour.
Yeah, yeah.
Right, there we go. Boom, done.
Alrighty, let's get on to it.
Cool. Right. Hey
Hey,
Andre, how you
Andre,
doing, mate? You alright?
welcome.
I was waiting for the magic word from you, Andre. Yeah, now we talking. Yes,
Yeah,
here we go. That's the water geezer.
I think he did that on purpose
Mm,
to.
yeah, create a bit of a suspense.
Hmm.
I think we could actually be called the geezer gang.
Let's stick to roll coders for now.
True. Right. By the way, just to give you a bit of an overview, Andre, that we are applying this same theme that we applied just today. So both of us are working on our own laptops, but
Yeah.
on the same problem to increase the efficiency and to get this issue resolved ASAP.
Alrighty, let's get to business. One sec, I'll put my Mac on charge. Oh, Andre, we are talking. We're just um trying this, like doing this method in which we are just really speed coding, like not speed coding, but like just power concentrating on the problem. Um, because we've been streaming about solving the problem, but we aren't actually solving it. So we thought we'll first solve it and then we present what we actually did. Because there's a lot of things we have to try just by googling stuff, and there's a lot of different configurations we are trying.
And do you reckon this would be a good approach, Andre? Andre's saying that he thinks that it's more entertaining if you pay up and chat.
Yeah, that's true. That's
Hmm.
true. I mean, that's the whole point of streaming.
Yeah.
What do you think, Zen? I mean, that's kind of right, but just
I
also
mean,
that.
if you see the whole point of streaming is to, as in, pay and program, as in,
Mhm.
if we had to do it individually, then I don't think there's any point of doing that on the stream,
Yeah, yeah,
according to me. What do you reckon?
yeah. That's true. Yeah, like it was just a little bit concerning that we have taken like 8 or 9 streams
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
um doing this.
Yeah.
Um,
How about if we do it as in stream code, as in the
yeah,
speed code together,
yeah,
like Andres said.
yeah. Surely,
All right, because I don't really want to bore the um, viewers, especially
that's true.
Andre, and as
Yeah,
in they've taken time out from their
yeah,
busy days instead of spending time with their family. They
yeah.
are here watching us.
That's true.
So yeah. All right. How about if I just keep on sharing my screen, and you can keep on throwing the ideas at
Yeah,
me, and I'll just focus on implementing what you come up with. How about
okay.
that?
Yeah, yeah, for sure. I was working on this course configuration thing. I'll send you the link. But if you're trying something, you should continue on that.
I
Um,
just did, and it didn't really work.
all right.
Mm-hmm. Andre's saying that watching the stream is never boring.
That's nice.
Thank you, Andre. Appreciate
Thank
that,
you.
mate. Honestly, this is the longest issue that I've had in my entire career until now.
Really? Oh.
As in 9 days approximately taken. This didn't work. Pause headers.
So there's this thing called gateway.config.yaml file.
Okay.
Um,
Uh-huh.
so I was just reading about that. Um,
Do you want to possibly share your screen instead?
yes, I haven't started implementing it. That's why I sent you the link. Um,
Oh, have
I
you?
sent you a link,
Right.
so just open the link.
Yeah.
Um, that being said, this thing is available on Express. I'm just seeing how, but it is a microservice built on Express.js.
All right. I see. Express gateway.
But
Was
still need to make sure how we're gonna configure the environment variables in it.
So you're saying that, I mean, from what I can tell, that we have to have another YAML file in which
I, I'm
we're
not
gonna configure
I'm
this.
not sure, to be honest. I was just reading about it.
Right, right.
Um,
That's
yeah.
interesting. Express gateway. What is this? I need to read about it first. What does it do and what's it for? Doesn't work. Is a microservice. Ah, microservice. Services API gateway built on.
What do you think?
I'm just reading how to get
Yeah,
started
take it.
on this one.
Yeah, take it.
I think this is a entirely different beast.
Yeah, but I'm not sure
Mhm.
if this comes handy while actual deployment, but we can give it a go. I'm just seeing a tutorial if I can get one.
Right. So they existing API. File the service.
Hmm.
So service and file private and you can file public. Right. Ah, centralized. Version box here.
Did you get
I think
something?
we should give this a try, because it's got the step-by-step instruction how to use it in the docs.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Um, yes. Hmm.
I guess from right. Specify microservice and endpoint. Right, so which means if I do this, if I do a call on the player point, okay, that was there. Step one to open, step two to a call here. Step two, service will be specified in service endpoint in the service policy. Then we have some policy, using the policy. So would this mean that we would have to change the architecture a bit as well?
Yeah, that's why I wasn't really keen on doing it. I was just reading about it, but um,
Yeah, I don't really want to change the architecture, and we have actually come so far. You're right.
hmm. But that being said, it's a promising option. Um, like if nothing works out, I guess.
Yeah, of course. When I go back to doing my research, um,
I don't know if there's a job role called course expert, but by the end of these streams, we'll probably get that job role.
exactly. as in go around the world and fix
Cozy.
cozy issues of people. Paid travel. I believe in the qualifier concluded, but it does not have a referral. There are some cases and configuration first does not allow the correct bar don't hook right. If you're making this from a different domain, you need to add the allow region headers control. So yeah, that's fine. I've done that. Content allow
Then
headers.
what was the Stack Overflow for road coders?
Stack Overflow for coders. You can just log in there. Are you asking me to log in?
Yes, is it just by Google? Is it just
Yeah,
Google one? Alright.
yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna give that one more go.
Message. See if you so you need to respond with that. Then you need to be that something like this. Stuff for your news. Quite a time. Content type. Headers. Content type. Pages. Former region. This one. Content type. Now headers. Content type. Yeah, let's say it's that. Well, just hold it in. control has a lot of convenience preform should be given the response in order to close to rather the initial prefer request as control or requested editor requested given the response limits or should be given in the response. This is close.
Ooh.
Aha! If you're making the request of it, there's no type of different, then the phone name explain. Text explain. The limit option request accepted. Service if you allowed. So you needs to handle this request accordingly. You need to respond with the appropriate control header and preferences need to be set to 100. The header is something like this.
Oh, wait. On something.
Hmm?
Do you know there was a proper documentation for course protocol?
Is it?
Yeah, I'll send it to you. And it's fetch specific as well. This will be
Ah.
really useful. I posted the question again on Stack Overflow through my ID. So
Cool.
let's see. Then could you paste this in the code? All this. And instead of response, just write res.
So instead of response,
Write res.
That's all.
For me. Um, yes, just 1 second. I just want to make sure that it's res.set header or res.header. Um, just 1 second. It's header. Sorry, Zen, that's my bad. Instead of set header, just write header with a um small h. So I was reading the documentation yesterday, and this is what I came across. You're not doing a res.send.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that now. What do I send? What?
Data.
That's all.
Board ID.
Okay, hang on a minute. I need to do something else as well.
Yeah, one.
Okay, that's
I'm
fine
gonna.
over here.
Yeah,
What I'm gonna
just look at the
deploy
code
this.
before you load it. Right. Can I look at the code before you upload it, Zen? Oh yeah, yeah. Just 1 second. Compare it to mine. Um, and can you also do res.status 200? So res.status bracket open 200 bracket close. Yeah, that's fine.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, just deploy. Let's see what happens.
Oh. Wow. I really need a haircut. Have a look at this. Really need a haircut somehow.
Just ask your partner to cut it for you.
I'll try, but If I do that, she'll have happily make me bald.
Yeah, all the revenge.
Yeah, this was the day I've been waiting for. Come, Zane, I can do a fantastic good job for you. Have a look at the mirror, and then next time I see where are my hairs? Oh,
No,
it's
I
a new
think
style.
worse than a bald haircut, it's a like a partial bald wherein like some of the hair at some places is just gone. That's it.
Yeah, true, true. Alright, I'm gonna try this now.
Mhm. Yeah.
Actually, I excuse me. I need to make some changes here as well. Set headers. That one. Type. I think what I should do is include the same headers that I did here over there.
Huh? Did you deploy it?
Yes, I did deploy, but the headers are
No, that's fine.
somewhere I read. Uh, somewhere I read that the headers on the back end and the front end should be the same, or at least
Um, so
or maybe wrong.
the two headers are the headers of the response and the header of the request.
Hmm.
And they can be different, right? Like the
Yeah, yeah.
response header could be different, and the request could be allowing some other URLs. So I don't think so. They have to be the same. Like talking of an ideal full stack app, but um, if that's gonna work, let's try that.
I'll just do
Yeah.
this.
Nope.
Same thing.
Hmm. Oh boy. Um, Maybe do it without the changing the headers in the middleware.
Yeah, it's gonna
No,
try that.
Andre, not yet. We haven't resolved it yet.
Headers.
No,
Or I
wait.
just allowed.
Leave only one header.
I just did
Then,
this one, right? Mm-hmm.
then, in content type, there should have been application slash JSON. Um,
Ah, yeah, true.
yeah. No, no, no. Instead of content type.
Instead of.
Hmm.
Okay.
And
Try
even in the
different
backend, even in the backend.
headers.
Oh, right. Yeah, that makes sense.
Why
Oh,
does
wait,
this
wait,
have
wait,
two headers?
wait. Go on the next one. Yeah, instead of content type, make your application a JSON there.
This headers. I highly doubt this would do a trick, but still, let's try.
Now, so on the documentation, it said that just replace content type with whatever content you're using,
Okay.
because I copied this
Right.
code out.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Right. Oh, what did I do there? I need to deploy it. Just yeah, I need to deploy it. Yes, Andre, we have, and it's here. Allow region. Yes, it is. It
Is that a
is. Andre, believe it or not, but until so far in this my career, this is the longest problem that I've come across. That's actually taken more than a week.
I mean, if you look at it, we're working 1 hour or 2 hours a day on it. So
Hmm.
we've been working one full working day on it.
One full working day, yeah.
Hmm. Yes, yes,
To
we
be
do.
sure. No. Oh, you have no idea, Andre, how much. Actually, I can still become one. I'm still on the edge of being an all rounder to special, being a specialist, right in the middle.
Nice.
Honestly, if this came in .NET within half an hour, boom, we're moving on. All right, cool. So this is deployed.
Mhm.
Application database in here. Um. Okay. I think we need to backstep a bit.
For what?
We need to backstep a bit. Actually, research what exactly causes
Mm.
this
Yeah,
error.
yeah.
and then make sure that the things that they're talking about, we understand that,
Yeah.
and then move to the solution, because at the moment we are trying, but it's just going round and round in circles.
Yeah. So right now, what we are trying to do is that we're trying to take a shortcut.
Yeah,
Like we just copy and paste some code from the internet, and it'll work. Which is not a bad way to solve problems. Like it has worked in the past.
yeah,
But that being said,
of course.
I don't think this approach is working out like at all.
Yeah.
Um,
So we should really backstep, as in go to the fundamentals of,
yeah,
as in cause, and to be specific, the response to pre-flight and what causes it, and try to understand that.
yeah.
Andre, cause I think stands for,
Cross-origin resource
yeah,
sharing, right?
yeah.
Yeah.
Watch that 3 hour learn to code video. Think yeah, I might have to do that. All right.
I think I need to watch the first one, the first lesson on how to code.
No, no, to be honest, Andre isn't even joking. As in,
Mm,
he's when you had your, I think, assignment due or your job assessment, and
mm-hmm.
you
Yeah.
couldn't really make it, and he sent me that link, and I was like, Andre, are you joking?
Send it
And
through.
and then I don't think he was. I don't think he was joking though, to be honest.
But yeah, I can study in my. I'll study tonight, and I don't have anything tomorrow morning. So I'll try. I mean, I will. I'll not try. I probably will study tomorrow morning as well. Um, Try to understand what exactly CORS is. I mean,
Mm-hmm.
we know it's cross-region resource sharing,
Mm-hmm.
and it's used to just configure two different resources on the web so that they can function.
Well, maybe not go to the fundamentals of cause itself, because we
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I know what you
already know, but just the fundamentals of this issue,
mean. Yeah, yeah,
as in what is a pre-fly, what is an
yeah,
exit
yeah. I know
control,
what you mean.
etc. Yeah.
Hmm.
Right, and in the meanwhile, I'll work on it in my free time as well.
Yeah.
And worst come to worst, this weekend will be our hackathon. If we don't manage to solve it before then we can do the I think it's tomorrow, isn't it? Okay, the 50th
Yeah.
episode.
So tomorrow is our 50th episode, which means that
Can't
we have
wait.
completed 50 concurrent streams. So
Special to all.
I wish I could do a
Oh,
special.
wish, Andre. Yeah. Not on a weekday,
Hmm.
at least. Yeah, it's not gonna happen. I
But
mean,
yeah,
I would love to, but this the schedule is in a way that I I can't fit it in, as in especially on a weekday.
right. I mean,
Yeah.
Andres says 8:30 to 10:30. I don't mind doing that, but if like, I'm keen on doing that. But if you have other commitments, I mean, we can always stick to 9:30.
Right. Okay.
It's fine.
Let me
Like,
think about it then. Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Just
Let me
let me
think
know in
about it.
advance. Yeah,
All right. Cool.
cool.
No
I think
problem.
let's call it a day for
Mhm.
now.
Yeah,
What?
yeah. I was gonna say that because I would rather be productive than just talking.
Hmm. All
Right,
right.
guys. That makes sense. So I'll just stop sharing my screen. Right. So we have actually decided to change our approach now, as in go into the fundamentals of the issue itself and trying to understand the bigger picture. And then I'm pretty sure when we have the full fundamentals issue understanding, then it would ju- just be a matter of half an hour job to fix the issue.
Yeah.
But yeah, and tomorrow's our half century, which means that we are completing the 50th episode tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah, so make sure you tune in to see me and Karthik, and we have a bit of a surprise for you guys as well, which we're not gonna um, reveal that at the moment. You'll see it tomorrow. I'll keep that as a
You'll
surprise,
have to tune in tomorrow
Andre.
to know.
Huh?
I was saying that you have to tune in tomorrow, Andre, to see what it
Yeah,
is.
yeah. Right, guys. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Looking forward to seeing you all tomorrow as well. Yeah. Have you got anything to add, Kay?
Nah, sounds good. Okay, let's get back tomorrow and um, see where we can take the fundamentals of course and take the fundamentals of the arrow. And yeah, it's exciting that we have completed um,
Hmm.
50 episodes. That's a huge number. That's like 65 hours of coding in the last 50 days. So
Exactly. Hmm.
that's a lot. That's like 3 days continuous. So
Yeah. Like they say, consistency is magical.
yeah, yes, for sure. Cool.
Right, guys. Yeah. Wherever you are in the world, you have a good good morning, night, evening, afternoon. But if you're in Melbourne, Australia, have a relaxing night, and we'll see you tomorrow on our 50th episode. Can't
Nice.
wait.
Cool. Good night.
Thanks,
Cheers.
guys. Good night.